Hi student, today we will discuss about this program. This program is related to array, which is class 10 ICSE. Program is that write a program to count even and odd numbers in an array. That means I have a array, given array, and in the array I have to count how many numbers of even elements and how many number of odd elements. So what I will do in this program, I will do access each element. If this this element is even, then I will take two counter variable. One is even counter and the other is odd counter. Then I increment even counter. If it is not even, then it also odd number. Then I will write increment odd counter. So we can do that with the help of if else. Now let's start to try to code. So I am starting here slowly. I am starting here slowly. Now here I will create a class. Class name is even counter, even odd counter, even odd counter. You can give any name. So this is program. This is class. In this class, we should write to code. Now, first of all, I will import scalar class so that I can take input. Import java dot util dot scanner. This is the scanner class. Now I will define a class even odd counter. I am given class name here, even odd counter. Now I have to take main method. I will start void main. In the main method, first of all, I have to take input in array. So we should creating object of scanner class. Scanner sc new scanner system.in. Here I have created object of scanner class which name is sc. Now I am taking input in the array. To take input in array, I have to declare an array. So to declare array, we have to take input size of array. So here I will display the message, or we can say also use no this I will use the here scanner class to take input. So take input, I give message to user that enter the size of array. Enter the size of array. Size of array. Of array. Now, now I will store this in a variable. So I will take here a variable size int size c dot next int. Here I am taking a variable which name is size and putting the value from the keyboard in the size. St here is capital S. It should be capital S because declared the capital S. Now to take input in array, first I display message. Enter the first I declare here a array. So int a, this is name of the array a, and new a size. Here I mention size which is given user, come from user. Here is the mistake. Not a, here will be int. Int. Now I will display message user to enter the elements of the array in system dot out dot print ln enter the elements of array. Here I will also show message enter the size. We want to show if the number of how many number of element user want to enter. User should be enter. So I will write here size. So I write here enter the, and I will here use size and enter the elements. I am explaining you what I am written, why written this. Let's suppose user given in the size 10 number. So here output should be enter the 10 elements. This is more appropriate here. Now to taking input, I will use for loop for int I. It is start from 0 and I less than size I plus plus. Now here I will write a of I sc dot next int. Now each in the each uh, element in each section of the element will be filled from the keyboard. This is the input. Now what I have to calculate? I have to calculate even number of element and odd number of element. Now I have used two. I should use two counter variable. One is even counter and other is odd counter. So I will write int even counter, sorry, EC E even C, and it should be start from also 0 because counter variable also start from 0, and odd C it will be also should be 0. These are variables count the how many numbers of element here, even or odd. Now to check each element, I will use for loop again. Int I start from 0, I should be less than or equal to size I plus plus here. I plus plus. Now in the for block, I will write, I will use if a of I, that means one element from the array which is depend on the index of I, one element from the array, if it is even, that means this modulus 2 equals 0. That is the condition for even. So if this number is even, that means I should increment here even counter variable even C plus plus. If this number is not even, then it should be also odd. So I will use here else odd C plus plus. Now one by one each element from the array came and check if it is even, then even counter plus, and if it is odd, then odd counter variable increment. Now in the outside of the loop, I will write display the even counter and even number of element and odd number of element present in this array. So I will display message here system dot out dot print ln even number of element in this array is now value of variable even C. Now again for odd variable, odd number of variables. So I will write here, I will copy this message and again paste same message. But here message should be changed odd in place of even, and it should be also odd C. This is the complete program to count the even number of and odd number of elements in the array. Now here running this program, to run this I have to create instance here. Now main method running here. This is our output window. Now I have to again run again here because it's not working properly. Created instance. Now again running this program. This is terminal window. Enter the size of the array. Now I want to enter 10 element here. So I will write 10 in the input. Now enter the 10 elements. I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here are 10 inputs. Now I will do something creating. So here this is not equal, should be equals to, because it should be smaller time. Now I'm again compile this. So here showing out of all exception, clear this output. Again trying to run. Size 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So even number of element here 5 and odd number of element here 5 also. So this is the complete program. I want to tell you, first in the first time I have here written a mistake. Uh, this is I have written equal to size. I should be less than or equal to size. It will be I should be less than size, not equal to here. So this is the complete code for this program. Thank you.